So we're out here on hole number 3 at the club, and I kind of hooked my drive a little left, and now I'm behind these trees, and my ball's in a little bit of fescue over here. So Glenn's going to talk about how you would demonstrate hitting this golf shot and what we would learn on the range beforehand.
So, you know, when we're on the range working, and you know, we talk a lot about controlling your ball flight, right? So obviously, you know, we've got some trouble here with the tree limbs. So, you know, in the range we work on whether you're hitting the ball into the wind, wanting to keep it down, or whether you get into a situation like this, get the ball back in your stance a little bit, right? Control the ball flight, keep it under these tree limbs. Also, flatter you swing, lower the ball is going to come out, so we don't want to get too steep. The fescue here, that's something we don't really get to practice on the range, but we have to take into consideration what it's going to do to the club head. You know, you can zoom in on this lie, you got some higher grass to the right of your ball. That might tend to shut your club face down.
Right.
Also, you know, it's going to alter the spin, so this ball is going to come out knuckling, probably going to run a little bit more. So we have to take all this into consideration.
So being out here about, I don't know, we have a back right flag, and we're about 140 yards away. What would you hit? What club would you choose, and how would you hit it?
Well, I mean, my first goal is got to miss that tree limb, right? So,
Okay. So what club are you thinking?
You know, I'm thinking, looking at the distance that is, how low it's hanging, I'm thinking I probably got to go 4-iron, maybe 5-iron's going to be the highest loft I could go and comfortably keep it under that. So
what I want you is I want you to demonstrate a couple practice swings and actually hit this, and show me how you would play this golf shot.
So again, you know, like we talk about when we're practicing, right? We're going to hit a lower shot. We're going to get the ball a little further back in our stance. So you grab my 5-iron. That's normally a ball that I'm going to be playing maybe an inch or two behind the inside of my left foot. I'm going to get that probably an inch or two from the inside of my back foot, okay, to make that adjustment. Second thing is probably trying to keep this club a little bit lower, both back and through. Flatter we swing the club, flatter the ball flight. Here, you know, feel comes into play, right? I mean, not every golf shot is going to be based on numbers, right? I mean, and you know, 50% swing with a 5-iron is going to produce X amount of yards. We have to kind of judge, you know, the lack of spin coming out of here, a little bit of downslope, how far is it going to run? Then again, too, like before the green, we got some upslope to take into consideration. So tricky shot, right? So
Mind demonstrate?
Yeah,
Let's
so
see
we
it.
can visualize, right? Use our eyes, feel the shot. Also to kind of calculate what this grass is going to do to my club head. Back in the stance, hopefully a little bit flatter. Didn't quite hook enough, but it was the right distance.
Right, but
right?
you did what you asked to do. The first rule was what?
First rule is miss that tree limb, right? Get it down by the green. We got a chance up and down for par.
Mission accomplished.
You know,
Good.
So yeah, we accomplished the first goal. We got it down by the green, missed the tree limb.